We are going to mention an example about frequency as a unit of measure within functional analysis structure. Remember that frequency is defined as the number of times a behavior of interest occurs. In this case, we will see how many times Jin Sakai uses his katana to fight against the Mongolian army and defend himself against them, who have invaded the Tsushima island. After this count, we can make the respective functional analysis corresponding to the first part of the structure, the stimulus and response relationship. Please remember to count on me at the same time. In this short video, we were able to witness a combat between Jin Sakai and Mongolian soldiers, where our character has used his katana about 67 times in 3 minutes. Let's do the functional analysis. Antecedent stimulation, context, the rest in. External event, Mongols have invaded the inn. Internal event, Jin Sakai experienced emotional distress and has a verbal rule to defend his people. Stimulus-response relationship, discriminative by the verbal rule and conditioned because he has to be impulsive when fighting. You will not know how the fight will end. Physiological response, increased heart rate, increased respiratory rate. Cognitive response, my people need me. I am a samurai with honor. Motor response, Jin Sakai fights the Mongol to the end of their lives using his katana, 67 times.